Welcome to the Cloud Guide. Today I am going to import 10 products into Shopify using Sidekick prompts. So instead of adding products one by one, we can ask Sidekick to help me to create a simple CSV file for bulk uploading. So let's see how fast this works. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick. Here we can ask help me to create a simple CSV. Click on enter. Now it is processing. So here we can see it's giving the format. We can ask like the format of steps like click enter. Now it's giving the steps. Open spreadsheet, then set up your column headers etc. Here it give. So now we can do that, so that you click on the spreadsheet. Here it is blank. So here we can add the title, then description, then we can add vendor, now we can add the price, so that's it. Now let's ask to give some product name, description, vendor and price, then click on enter. So here we can see it is processing. So here it gives the title, description, vendor, etc. We can copy it and paste. Okay, I will copy it and come. So here I added all the titles, description, then vendor, price, etc. by follow these steps that given by Sidekick. So next we have to save. So click on file, then download, then click on CSV. For that, go to the spreadsheet, then click on file, click on download, then click on CSV. Now it is downloaded. Now next step we can see to import into Shopify. Go to product section, click on product, then here click on more action. Here we can see it. Click import, click on add file, then you can add this CSV file. So alright, products with matching handles. So that's it. Upload and preview. So click on import product. So it will take some time to complete. We can see the product has been imported. Flora Graphics. Click on it. Here we can see the title, description and all. If we need to add image, we can upload it from the sheet itself and import. So here we can see this is the old product we are added by importing CSV. So now Shopify is importing all the products from CSV file automatically. These are the files where I didn't upload image. So we can upload it from Google Sheet itself. So honestly, this is much faster than adding products one by one manually. Sidekick makes the process easier because it helps generate product information and organize the import structure step by step. So this is how we can import the product using CSV. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, or comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.